changing the upstream O2 sensor on this 2.4 Ecotech in a 2012 Chevy Malibu. And this is the one we're going to be using, just in case you're wondering. So let's just get into it. So first things first, we're going to move the cover to give us a little bit more space to work with in the back. We're going to take this clamp right here off, out of the way, so you can pull this hose off. Then an 8mm here, or a flathead screwdriver for this one clamp. Now the last clamp is located underneath the cover. Right there. And you can use a flathead, but an 8mm is easier to get on there and loosen it off. Alright, we will take the old cap off temporarily. This will pop up. And there we go. Then we'll just put this back on to keep anything from getting in there. Alright, so our upstream is right here on the back side. Right there. That's fairly easy to get to. Now, plug-in is right here. And this one, well, it can be a trick, because we're going to have to get the safety pin off. And if you can even see, there we go, safety pin, and then we got to unplug it. I'll see if I can show you this. I got this little pick tool right here, and I'm going to take my little pick tool, push this side, the blue safety tab, which gave me enough to remove it. Now with that out of the way, I'm going to push up on this and release the harness. Now if I can get two hands back here with the camera in the way. There we go. So most of the time new harnesses come with this new little push-in tab. So you can probably cut it. You use a pair of pliers to basically squeeze that in so you can pull that off and put the new one in. So now it's going to take the O2 sensor socket, slide it over just like that. It is kind of a trick to get on there, and it doesn't really leave you with much room. But it is doable. And now that I got it loose, it's going to take the socket out, or the socket wrench out of the way. Turn it a couple times with the socket still in there. Now that I know it's loose enough, I can slide that back off, get it out of the way, move this harness into my hand so it doesn't wrap up and get in my way, and just remove it by hand. Just like that. And the new one, it should have some compound on the threads. If not, make sure you get some, put on the threads. Alright, now that's on there, hand tight. Just gonna slide this right back over. Right there. Put the wrench back on there. Tighten it down. There we go. And I'm going to remove a wrench, slide socket back off. Grab the harness. Now, just going to plug this back together. Grab this little locking tab. Lock it back in. And push it back on to the bracket like so. Back where it should be. Alright, now we shall reinstall the cover. Put the little rubber boot back on there. Line it up. Make sure everything's popped in back into place. Put the old cap back in. We will tighten down this right here. So, tighten this clamp back up as well. Make sure it is all the way on where it should be. Go. Then, don't forget to reconnect this hose right here and put the little clamp back. Alright, there it is. Upstream O2 sensor with 2012 Chevy Malibu with the 2.4 Ecotech. Now, very few amount of tools. Doesn't take very long at all. Now you do want to do that while the exhaust is cooled off, but if you do have an issue with the O2 sensor being kind of froze on, sometimes heating the engine up just a little bit, just get slightly warm and then break it loose. Sometimes the heat helps. But overall, easy, simple to do. You can do it in your own driveway, save yourself a ton of money. Now, I hope this video proved helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.